In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix account step by step. If you're ready to part ways with Wix, whether you're seeking a fresh start or simply moving on to other platforms, this guide will help you through every stage of the process with absolute clarity. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to get started by logging into your Wix account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix homepage at www.wix.com. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Enter your login credentials, which typically include your email and password, and you're all set to enter your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. At the top right, you should see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will direct you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Wix account. As we move on to closing your account, keep in mind that this step is irreversible. Any Wix websites, services, subscriptions, and premium plans will be deleted. So, scroll down to the Advanced section of your account settings page. Here you'll see an option labeled Close Account. Once you click on this, a warning message will pop up, guiding you through the implications of account closure. Take a moment to read it thoroughly. This action will delete all of your Wix websites and linked services, including apps and subscriptions. If you have any domain registrations through Wix, consider transferring them before proceeding. To confirm closure, you'll need to indicate that you fully understand the ramifications of this action by checking the provided acknowledgement box. Afterward, enter your Wix account password for verification. This is a measure to ensure that it's truly you making this request. Lastly, click on Close Account to initiate the process. To finalize, Wix will send a confirmation email to the address associated with your account. This is a crucial step to ensure the security and confirmation of your request. Open this email and you'll find a Confirm button. Clicking this will permanently delete your account, effectively sealing the deal. And there you have it. Your Wix account is now deleted. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, account deletions can sometimes take a few days to process fully, so keep an eye on your email for any additional confirmations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.